2019 Toyota Corolla LE Standard Package. This is the entry-level Corolla. There are three to choose from. This is by all means a very basic vehicle, but it still comes with some nice features that are worth mentioning. So it does have steel wheels with hubcaps. It does have trunk release on the key fob, which is definitely nice. Even though it's a subcompact vehicle, you still have a good amount of space back here, and both those back seats will fold down flat as well for extra space. As we make our way into the back seat, again, two-tone interior, nice style. You do have an armrest. Nice touch for sure. As we make our way into the front seat, again, nice style. That feature right here, windshield wiper de-icer. It's a wonderful feature as it will get rid of ice and snow that's built up on the front wiper blades. Display screen will provide Bluetooth capability as well as backup camera. Handy because you can actually tell where the Corolla ends, and the red line tells you you're 1.5 feet away from whatever's behind you. Automatic climate control, heated seats with USB audio input. And it has all the safety features you get on Toyota Safety Sense P, which is really impressive. You don't have to buy the most expensive Corolla to get those safety features. They come standard. They are lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and automatic high beams. This is just a quick look around the Corolla. Wonderful. And that is a quick walk around on the 2019 Toyota Corolla LE Standard Package in Classic Silver Metallic. Thanks so much for watching.